Today's discussion revolves around the classification of nails and sculpting them. So I will suggest you to take square artificial nails because square nails can be converted into any shape. As you can see, the nail of the shape is square only. So you have to cut the length to the desired size. And you just have to buff it into a normal natural nails. Isn't it easy? Let me know into the comment section. Next is coffin. So for coffin nails, we are going to cut the edges of side walls. And then we are going to buff it from the corner of the cuticle to the edge of the fake nail. Smooth it out from the side, starting from the cuticle to the edge of the fake nail, but not downwards. It should be vertical towards our cuticle only. Take your time and buff it. To achieve coffin nails, somewhat we have to shape it into a V. In short, you have to buff the side walls and the edge straight to make a coffin shape. Now we are going to change the coffin shape into a lovely oval. To do this, we just need to add a gentle curve to the upper edge that we have straightened for the coffin look. Smooth out the side walls to make everything perfect. Finally, give it a nice curvy touch to achieve that beautiful oval shape. Moving on to the next finger, which is the index finger. I am applying the same technique to create an elegant oval shape. This involves refining the side walls for a smooth finish and introducing a gentle curve to the previous straightened section of the coffin nails. Transitioning to the next nail shape, the almond shape. To achieve this, we simply need to buff the side walls of the artificial nail. For the top edge, maintain a subtle pointed and curvy profile, not overly shaped but just enough to craft the classic almond shape. The process is straightforward. Trim the side walls, introduce a slight curve and add a gentle pointed touch. Ensuring consistency and style across each nail. Watch closely for a seamless transition to beautiful almond shaped nails. If you found these nail shaping tips helpful, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and subscribe for more tutorial. Thank you.